Have you ever noticed how small birds scatter the moment they hear a hawk's call? That's because hawks are natural predators and their powerful screeches strike fear into many other species. The hawk sound effect is often used to keep away nuisance birds like pigeons, crows, or sparrows from rooftops, gardens, or farms. Just a few calls are enough to create the illusions that a predator is nearby. Nature always finds its way to balance, and the call of hawk is one of the most powerful reminders of who rules the skies. Their calls are more than just a communication. They are signals of dominance. When a hawk cries out, other birds recognize it as a warning of a predator in the area. For pigeons, sparrows, crows, starlings, and even some larger birds, the hawk call is terrifying. Why? Because hawk sits high at the top of the food chain in the sky. Over generations, smaller birds have learned to associate the hawk's screams with danger, which triggers their natural instinct to flee. Hawk sound effect is one of the most powerful ways to influence birds' behavior. Just like humans react to sudden alarms, birds respond instantly to predator sounds. Hawks produce a variety of calls, but the most commonly used deterrent is the sharp, high-pitched screech. This sound cuts through the air and can be heard from a great distance. Some recordings even mix multiple hawk calls to make the effect more realistic. Hawks are powerful birds of prey, known for their incredible eyesight, strong talons, and unmatched hunting skills. Imagine a farmer protecting a field of ripening grains or a city trying to keep pigeons off public buildings. Instead of using harmful traps or chemicals, simply playing hawk sounds at intervals can convince nuisance birds that a predator is nearby. It's a safe way, eco-friendly and highly effective. These high-pitched screams can travel long distance. Farmers, gardeners, and even airports sometimes are recorded hawk sounds as a natural bird deterrent instead of harmful methods. However, like many other methods, hawk sounds works best when used wisely. If the sound is played non-stop, birds may eventually realize there is no real predator and stop responding. To avoid this, the call should be played at irregular times, creating surprise and unpredictably, just like a real hawk's presence. Hawks screeches for three main reasons. In season, hawks screech to attract a mate, while in flight to assert their dominance, and during the fledging season, when their youngs are away from the nest. Hawk sounds are more than just voice. They are nature's built-in alarm system. To smaller birds, it's a message danger is in the sky, and for us, it's a natural way to protect our surroundings while respecting the balance of wildlife. So if you are looking for an effective natural way to keep birds away, hawk sounds might just be the solution. Listen carefully and you will understand why smaller birds don't dare to stick around.
Hawks in general are considered a good omen or good luck. In Native American culture, a hawk totem symbolizes good luck for making your dream come true. There are three main reasons hawks screech. Hawks are known to screech during mating season in the hope of attracting a partner. They will screech in flight to assert their dominance over an area and during fledging season when their youngsters are being away from their nest. One of the best sounds to get birds to scatter and perhaps not to return are synthetic sounds such as high frequency ultrasonic sounds. If you add in a frightening visual object such as an owl statue or scarecrow with shimmering tassel, the strategy becomes all that much more effective. Adult hawks make a hoarse screaming cree-cree. It lasts 2 or 3 seconds and is usually given while soaring. During courtship, they also make a shrill crake call, sometimes giving several of these calls in a row. Broad-winged hawks give a plaintive, high-pitched whistles that last 2 to 4 seconds, with a short first note and a long second note key. The male call is an octave higher in pitch than the females. They give this call on the nest and its flight is throughout the year. Keep in mind, hawks don't like noise, but they sometimes get used to it, just like they do a decoy. Use various sources of noise and switch it up every few days. Wind chimes, radios, and other sounds often discourage. Hawks are efficient predators. They catch, kill, and eat a wide variety of other animals in order to survive. This predation is not mean or cruel. It has been going on for millions of years and is, in fact, a necessary function which helps to maintain nature's balance. Most adult hawks make hoarse, screeching sounds that we associate with large birds of prey. On the other hand, many eagles tend to emit short, high-pitched chirps or piping sounds. Whether a bird sees the hawk itself or hears the universal hawk alarm call, they realize instantly that this bird is a threat. They were not taught, but they still know. They know from birth. It is described as innate, unlearned behavior.
If you enjoy learning about hawk sounds and how they can be used to scare birds, Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who might find it helpful. And now sit back and listen to the call of the hawks more one time, a sound that truly rules the sky.